last chance and to seal this game.
Yan, dito natin makikita kung ano ang meron ang Libon. Yes! 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 What a play!
What a shot for Reynancia.
That's the biggest shot of this league na nakita ko.
And right now, partner, in that last occasion, again, Pulangi knows better na pupunta ang bola kay Naguro. Pero definitely not. He kick it out. Pero merong rolling goal si Carvillos, but he opted to go to that shot, shooting Reynancia, and Reynancia hitting that triple with this 3-point lead now for Team Libo.
And we have to give credit to Naguro kasi siya yung set the play, compose na compose, alam kung ano ang gagawin, alam kung ano yung natitira sa shot clock and everything.
This is a big turnaround right now for our ball game with Team Libon crawling back dito sa ating ball game. Kanina nilalamangan sila ng almost 24 points and right now, don't look right now, it's a 3-point lead for the Team Libon.
Pero meron pa rin po tayong natitirang 2.8 seconds sa ating ball game. 109, 112.
Right now, Team Pulangi, wala na silang chance. They have to hit the 3-point shot. But again, 2.8 seconds, anything can happen.
They need a 3. They badly needed this shot. And Libon has to defend this. Kasi masasayang yung naging effort nila. Sabi nga natin, double effort. Double effort. So, this is winning time.
And right now, you have to focus on Celada and De La Cruz if you are Team Libon because right now, ang kanilang inbound play, sigurado pupunta sa dalawang mama na yan. Pero it can be this both guy be a decoy for De Guzman to pop out to the corner or dito sa top to hit that 3-point shot.
Badly needed 3-point shot for Team Pulangi. We will see. Merong adjustment si Coach Peter Encisa. Tingnan muna, pinakiramdaman kung ano yung magiging defense ng opposing team na Libon. Right now, leading na po. Opo, yung mga umalis kanina at iniwan na ang larong ito. Hindi nyo po nakita ang exciting part ng ball game nito.
I guess I have to apologize to sa lahat ng ating production. Pakikila direct baka mag-absent ako on Saturday.
Wala na tayong bosses.
We are definitely seeing an action-packed ball game right now.
And we are on our toes sa mga sandaling ito. 2.8 remaining sa ball game na ito.
For Team Libon, one more stop, and they're going to seal this victory, this upset win over Team Pulangi.
This is definitely going to be an upset. Pero that's Celada hitting that. Yes! 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 We really have a ball game here. Celada making that 3-point shot.
What is happening? What is happening right now? Every shot is really wide open.
We have a ball game. So this will, I guess, extend 112 ang score.
Right now,
Ubusan na nga, boses.
my predictions are not wrong. They went to Celada on that corner shot, fading away and hitting that 3-point shot. Point 9. Marami pang pwede mangyari. The Team Libon will be inbounding on the sideline. They can take the shot with 0.9 seconds left.
Pulangi need not foul.
Yes, they
Need not foul.
don't need to foul here. Definitely kasi nasa penalty situation na sila. So anything na pwede mangyari dito, they have to challenge the shot without fouling.
Clean defense lang. It's going to be a catch and shoot situation.
And the question right now, partner, is there a magic left for Naguro to seal this victory?
And that we will see dito
if they will count the basket. We have...
Will they count that basket?
Will they count? We're going to wait for the confirmation if the basket is counted because they inbounded the ball. Point time, medyo mahirap na yun to get a long pass.
Ang ganda ng play, coach.
Yes, ang ganda ng play na yun, pero with point time, I don't think kung kaya mo magawin yun with two passes. So we are waiting.
I think that, for me, I think that was a good shot. Pero siyempre, iba yung nakikita ng mga officials natin. We will see.